Yeah, hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video we want to identify fractal ranges. Range. Now, what do we mean by the ranges or the fractal range? Now, the fractal range refers to price movement from one fractal high to another fractal high, or from one fractal low to another fractal low. Now, I wouldn't make this a long talk. Let's quickly go to the charts and do some practice. So because we want to identify them, we want to see them on the charts. Once you can identify them, in the next video we'll talk about trends, and you'll be able to understand how trends are, so that you can know market direction really well. But in this one, let's just identify the range. Okay, so let's quickly go to our Euro USD chart, the daily chart, and do some practice. All right. Okay, now basically you can see that price have moved all the way up here, or even here. Okay, I want us to start from this top. Okay, then we move down. So we have a fractal high here, because you have, let me increase this a bit, because we have left candle, a middle candle, and a right candle. I guess you remember this. So the middle one is the high, so it's the fractal high, and you see that when the high was formed, we dropped all the way from there and came down. Now the range is from this to the bottom. We say we formed the range, we moved all the way from here. In fact, when we got here, you see we formed another fractal high. You get the point? And we move from this one down to here. So you have this fractal high moving from here, then we formed another fractal high, we move from this one to this one. So the distance from this top, that is from this top down to this, is what I refer to as the range. So it's a range from the top to the bottom, and so this is the fractal high, and we come down, we form another fractal high, and you realize that it also moved all the way from here to here. So in this video, what we are trying to do is, we want to, when we start from the top, we want to also identify fractal highs in the course of the range, like from the top to bottom. Then we identify a high, then from the top to the bottom, in that order. We want to look at that, because we use this to do some analysis in the next video, so that we can understand trends. So we have this from top to the bottom, and we have also this one from this top to this bottom. Let me erase them. Yes, so that is that. So there's a fractal high here, we've moved all the way from top to the bottom. We have another high here, we've moved all the way from the top to the bottom. Now in this video, we are only considering fractal highs, because we want to look at the range from a high down, then we create another high down. Now we also have this high, we have a high down, we created this another high, then we went down. You guys see it? You have this fractal high here, so we came down like this, then we created another fractal high here. Okay, so this one is one of our fractal ranges from top to bottom. There is another fractal range from top to bottom. Okay, because I'm building something for us to see. We have another one. This is a fractal high, so we move all the way from top to bottom. Okay. In fact, we moved up to this point. Okay, then we had another fractal high form in here, then we moved all the way. So try and look for them. You see that from top to bottom, we come and we formed another one, we move again. Okay, we move again. you can see that we formed a fractal high, moved all the way down here, then we formed another one here, moved all the way down here, formed another one here, moved all the way down here. Do you guys see? We started even from here. We started from here, moved from here down here, then we formed this one, we moved all the way down there. So from all this we came down, then we went up like this, we formed this high, we moved all the way from top all the way down, we formed this high, we moved all the way from top to down, we formed all the high, we moved all this the way down here. So I want you to look for these, look for the ranges, look for the fractal ranges, because it will help us, especially in our trend analysis. Because you can see that whenever they form and they form another fractal high, the price will continue to drop, and that's what I want you guys to see. They formed a high, dropped all the way to this point, and in there, that is here, you see this one, we formed another high, then we moved from this top down here, then the price moved up. In this one I want us to talk about the highs first. Then you see that we formed another fractal high, we moved all the way down here, then they formed this one, we moved all the way down into this place, you see, then we formed another one, we moved down to this place. You can see that they keep, whenever they form, they will keep dropping. Whenever they form the fractal high, they will keep dropping. You understand? So also when they form fractal lows, I want to get it, they will keep going up. There is a small a short move. It's not as big as the cells, but you can see it, that when we formed the fractal low, we moved all the way from here to here. Okay, then we also formed a low here. This is it, we moved all the way top to the top. Let me go back and see if you can get some of the, yes, we get the longs here. See, so we have a low formed here, we moved all the way up here. So this is a range, one range for us. Then they came all the way down into this, then we formed another low, then it became a range. Then the prices moved down into this place, then they formed another one, it's a range, fractal low, it went up. Then they did 1, 2, 3, this is the lowest candle, then they moved all the way here. So they formed this low again, they moved all the way up here. Have you see how the trends form and they keep going up, and they did another fractal low here, that's 1, 2, 3, then they went all the way up. They went all the way up, please, they went all the way up. Then of course they did this, formed another low here, went all the way up. So guys, try and do this on your charts, please try and look for them, because in the next video we'll be using this to do our trend analysis. Now in the markets you always have to move with a trend. If you go against the trend, most likely you'll be losing. And with that video too, we would understand why we lost some of our trades last week. I mean in the just ended market session. In fact, we lost some of our trades. So when we do this analysis, to help us to help you to understand the trends, then you'll be able to be on the right side of the market. Okay, thank you and see you.